You mentioned early in your remarks that there has been a decrease in gun crime in New Jersey and that it did not happen by accident. It strikes me that the most consequential change to gun policy in the United States over the last 5, even 10 years was the Bruen decision on right to carry, which many New Jerseyans are availing themselves of that opportunity. What role do you think that the Bruen decision played in the decrease in gun crime?
So I think that, as we talked about here, I think that the decrease in gun crime is for there's many different parts of this. The effort and enforcement that our law enforcement officers have put into this with respect to the criminal work, the Gun Violence Reduction Task Force, that's us, and federal law enforcement in all 21 counties, state police, DCJ, and also the laws that we have in our state that have been upheld, that whether it's lower capacity magazines, hollow point bullets, or all the different laws that we have, and the civil litigation that we've taken in those ways to make sure that they're upheld from gun and manufacturers who are coming into our state, selling things that they should not, as well as the work that we've done with ghost guns and 3D printing and things. So all of those things have helped to keep us safe.
Many factors.
Many factors. Whether I don't have any fact to say that decision, but I'm not sure that the ability for more people to carry guns keeps people safe.
Okay. Longer conversation, but in the interest of time, I'm going to take it in a slightly different direction. Part of where I'm going with this is identifying the distinction between legally owned firearms and illegally owned firearms. Does your office track, or do you happen to know the percentage of firearms used in crimes that are legally purchased?
I can get that information if we have. I'm not sure.
Okay.
I'm not sure offhand, but I do believe we have information about the gun tracing.
I'd appreciate that, and you can perhaps fact check me, because what my research shows is that in 2024 it was around 3% of the firearms believed to be used or recovered at the scene of a crime were legally owned, which says to me that the real problem is illegal guns, not the lawful purchases.